Welcome. In front of me is a OnePlus Pod, and today I will show you how you can enable your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, pull down your toggles by swiping down from the top of your screen. And as you can see, we have a bunch of toggles right here. One of those will be the Do Not Disturb one. Once you see it, if you're doing this the first time around, I recommend holding the toggle and then selecting More, which will take you to the settings. And here you can just customize how it will function. So number one, we have the turn on and off switch right here. Then we have a schedule, so you can set up an automatic schedule for it, so it will turn on and off at a provided day of the week and start and end time. Then we have exceptions for people, so you can select who can, I assume, call you / message you, though there is no SIM card, so not exactly sure what it's referring to. But in any case, you can just choose if you have contacts right here, so you can select who will be able to, let's assume, call you and message you. So we have no one, favorites, and contacts. And then also you can exclude applications. So here, by adding an application, it will be able to give you notifications even when the mode is enabled. So once you have gone through the settings and customized them to fit your needs, find the toggle once again, tap on it, and as you can see, it's now enabled. Now this is a manual, obviously, toggle. So once you're done with it, you will also need to turn it off by tapping on it once again. Now, if you have set up a schedule, then as long as the schedule is toggled on, you don't need to do anything extra. The schedule mode will turn on and off the toggle on its own. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.